Stop wasting money at the market. Today, I'm showing you how to grow fresh, juicy onions right at home. And trust me, it's way easier than you think. You don't need a garden, you don't need fancy tools, you just need this. Stay with me till the end because I'll reveal a simple trick that makes your onions grow twice as fast. First, grab a few onions from your kitchen that have started to sprout. You know, those little green shoots popping out? That's nature telling you, hey, I'm ready to grow. If you don't have one, no worries. Just buy a few small bulbs and leave them in a cool, dry place until they sprout. You can grow onions in soil bags, plastic bottles, old buckets, basically anything with drainage holes. No garden? No problem. Even your balcony or windowsill will do. Fill your container with loose, well-draining soil mixed with compost. Onions love loose, nutrient-rich homes. Now, take your sprouted onions and plant them with the sprout facing up. Leave about ½ inch of the bulb above the soil. They need to breathe too. Keep a 4-inch gap between each bulb to give them room to grow those plump, juicy bulbs underground. Water them lightly but regularly, about twice a week or when the topsoil feels dry. Avoid soaking them though. Onions hate soggy feet. And here's a pro tip: sprinkle some wood ash around the soil. It naturally keeps pests away and boosts growth like magic. Alright, here's that secret I promised. Once your onions have sprouted leaves about 5 inches tall, gently remove a bit of soil from around the bulb. Exposing the top half helps them fatten up faster. Do this carefully and you'll see the difference within days. After about 90 to 120 days, when the leaves start to yellow and flop over, your onions are ready. Simply pull them out, brush off the soil, and let them dry in the sun for a week to store. And there you have it, your very own homegrown, chemical-free onions. If you love this simple money-saving trick, smash that like button, drop a comment saying, "I'm growing onions." And don't forget to subscribe, because next week, I'm revealing how to grow garlic using nothing but kitchen scraps. Click here to watch it. You won't believe how easy it is.